Hello, allow me introduce to you Digital Adverts Limited, a company which is founded here in Uganda by an IT expert from Makerere University, Mr. Martin Musinguzi. This company has a certificate of incorporation and a trading license, and the administrative office are at room 008, level 3, Equatorial Mall. Digital Adverts is an e-commerce which has specialized into advertisement as a product or as a service it gives to its people, its clients. Today we are aware that many advertisers like telecom companies, beverages, etc. are opting for digital advertisement apart from the mainstream media like TV, radio, and magazines and newspapers, because today people spend more time with their phones than their TVs. So these companies have decided to put aside a certain budget to give to media or social media or like websites or social media websites which have traffic, that is, which have people. So Martin decided to put up digital adverts as a site that will be able to provide advertisement to these companies. But we know very well that for these companies to come and give you business, you must be having people on your site. And people don't just come on your site. They only come because they have something they are benefiting from your website. So why am I sharing this audio with you or this information with you? It's because I would like you to enjoy some of the benefits that come with the subscription of members who are on this site, like discounts, cashbacks, free services, and commissions. When I talk about commissions, I talk about making money, really making money. Okay, what are the benefits of the subscribers? What happens when you subscribe? What happens to you? Here is the following. Number one, you will be watching adverts and you will be paid.